Alright guys, welcome back to Crazy Crackers Adventures. Today, we're going to be restoring some cast iron. I know it's a little different than fishing, hunting, camping, all the stuff we do in the boats. How many of you have messed up your cast iron? A lot of you probably pitched it after a camp, went on and bought new ones. Well, just so you know, this older cast iron is a lot better cast iron than the new stuff you buy. This can be wire brushed down and turned back into a really good cast iron with some open fire seasoning. You can bake them in your oven at like 500 degrees for hours and hours on end in your house. I prefer just to build a fire in my fire pit. I've got a little grill grate that opens up over it, and then I'll set them in there and I'll just coat them down once we've cleaned them. So what we're going to do here is going to be simple. Okay, this is a very low budget restoration. What you see here is I'm fighting these because I cheated. I went ahead and opened them, ease of myself. Simple wire brush sets from Harbor Freight. I'm going to go right in your drill. I always buy one of the larger. You can see that they are just simple. I'm going to go right in your 3/8 standard drill. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put one of those in. I think we'll start with our large grill. Can I have that? No, you can't have it. You're going to the island too. Give me the camp grill. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our wheel, because we're going to have to come in and get between all these little pieces. Okay. You're going to stab yourself 800 times. It's part of the deal. I'm going to move my remote and my phone because I'm kind of stupid. All right. So, this is going to be extremely messy. I'm going to tell you all that ahead of time. So don't expect to go in the house looking all pretty, clean. You're going to come in here, you're going to make this big old mess, right? It's going to be so worth it at the end of the road. Okay, you're going to come in and clean it up on there. What I do is I'm just going to keep going right around the edges. You can do this with air. You can do it with whatever you want. Air, pneumatics. I just chose the old battery drill today. This is going to come in. We're going to get every one of these little gullies. Okay. You see, this doesn't take long. So we're just going to come in, clean it up. Then we're going to come back with that larger wheel and really get in there. And I'm pretty sure Pammy Puddles is coming out, and she's bringing beverages that I really will have nowhere to put them. Because, like I said, this makes one heck of a mess. Oh yeah, on the fire with a good place. Good job. Thank you, Pammy Puddles. You coming back with peanut butter?
Yes.
All right. We got a little bit of those, just because we're not fishing and boating and camping and islanding, doesn't mean we can't have our favorite adult beverage while we're doing this. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swap that bit out for that bad boy right there. See? It should be pretty simple. Once again, it's wire brushes. You don't stab yourself. If you don't stab yourself, you may not be doing it correctly. Tell you what, that is enough for the week right there. Alright, I think it's time for fuel. I'm going to sneak around and get in the shot here. Sneak around here behind my buddy. Cheers.
You want your drink?
Nope, let me get through a little bit of this because I'm making quite a bit of rust dust. That's what a good assistant does, guys. It's hard slaving over a hot drill. Yeah, it gets a little... You just got to come back and forth on the things that work. So... making sure I get this good lip right here. Now see, at my job, we have the really nice brushless models of these. My workshop here, I don't. This one sometimes works, sometimes don't. I have a couple different rigid. Right now, me and Ed are fighting, and so I'm hoping to get this project done before this one dies on me again. Got to make sure we get every bit of this off. Just to give you all a good look. Let me see if I can make her zoom in. Okay. See that right there? This is where we're starting. Okay? You can see, well, I got you all zoomed up. Here we go. This is where we're starting out, y'all. You can see it is pretty eat up. Okay? But at the end of it, we'll see how that all turns out, okay? Let me know what you think. Nothing makes a fat guy look fatter than zooming in. Alright. Tuck my controller back away. Now, some people are going to be like, well, I've seen you sandblast things on your channel. Why do you sandblast it? I don't have a good answer for you. Probably would have been a smart idea. Huh. Alright, we're going to take y'all through a little bit of this ride. You guys watch me clean them down. Okay? So what's happening now is it's burning off all the oils and everything. So it's going to be quite a few flips, turns, things like that in there. So I'm just going to keep shoving that oak in there until they're good to go. So what you got to do is you have to do them top, bottom, whichever one you put on first. Give them about an hour and a half or so, and then flip them over. Then you're going to pull them off. I'll probably pull them off. I don't know if you all can see these stones right here. I'm going to turn them right onto these stones. Give them another batch of oil in. Alright guys, here we go. This is after they burn off. Let's see, ground them down. We oil seasoned them. Quite a bit of time has passed. We're probably, 2 hours past when I cleaned them up. Let me pop you down so you can see them. Ready? Here we go. Let's, there you go, guys. There is cast iron that is ready to go. 100% Fat Guy approved. All right. Thank you guys for joining Crazy Crackers Adventures for this little bit of camp restoration. If you're stupid and leave your camp gear in a bad spot, fix it. Take it on the next trip. That old cast iron makes food taste way better. Till next time. Remember, like, subscribe, comment. We always like comments. Let me know. Maybe you guys have a better way of doing it. Tell me. Somebody throw a comment and tell me I did it wrong. I would like to know a better way. This way took me all day on my day off. So you guys let me know what's up.